National Electrical Code Section 392.10 and B addresses the permitted uses of Type MC cable. Section 392.10 states the Type MC cable is permitted firstly in dry locations, secondly in wet locations where the cable is not subject to physical damage, and thirdly in outdoor locations where the cable is not exposed to direct sunlight. Section 392.10b requires Type MC cable to be supported by straps, brackets, or other approved means at intervals not exceeding 6 feet or 1.83 meters and within 12 inches or 305 mm of every outlet box, junction box, cabinet, or fitting. Section 392.10c1 addresses single conductor Type MC cables. Where single conductor Type MC cables contain two or more phase conductors, or a phase conductor and neutral conductor, their individual insulation shall be of different colors, and an outer jacket shall enclose the assembly. There are several possible reasons why an electrical inspector might disallow the use of single conductor MC cable in cable tray to feed a motor control center or capacitor bank. Firstly, safety concerns exist. Single conductor MC cable is designed primarily for use in individual raceways or conduits. Using it in cable tray without an outer jacket raises safety concerns. The exposed conductors could come into contact with each other or with other components in the tray, potentially causing short circuits or electrical hazards. Secondly, compliance with the National Electrical Code is a factor. Section 392.10c1 requires that single conductor MC cables with more than one phase or neutral conductor have an outer jacket. Using them without an outer jacket in cable tray would violate this requirement and compromise the safety of the installation. Thirdly, proper support is essential. Cable tray is not intended to provide adequate support for single conductor MC cable. The cable would need to be supported at frequent intervals by additional means, such as straps or brackets, to ensure its proper operation and prevent damage. Fourthly, environmental exposure is a concern. Cable tray is not typically protected from direct sunlight or moisture. Single conductor MC cable is not always rated for outdoor use. When exposed to these elements over time, it could deteriorate. This deterioration could compromise the integrity of the electrical system. In summary, the inspector's decision likely stems from a combination of safety considerations and code compliance issues. The absence of an outer jacket on the single conductor MC cable poses a risk of short circuits and electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code mandates an outer jacket for single conductor MC cables with multiple phase or neutral conductors when installed in cable trays. Cable trays may not provide adequate support for single conductor MC cables. Additional support would be needed to prevent damage and ensure proper operation. Also, the exposure to sunlight and moisture in cable trays could degrade the cable. It is crucial to address these concerns to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Consider alternative wiring methods or use MC cable with an appropriate outer jacket. Provide adequate support and protection from environmental factors. This helps ensure compliance with the National Electrical Code and promotes electrical safety.